Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly check your monitor's resolution, refresh rate, and connection status directly from a command line. So this process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So we are going to use a built-in tool called Xrandr. This tool talks directly to your graphics card to see what is plugged in. So simply open your terminal by going to the App section, then Terminal, and in the terminal, simply paste that simple command. Type Xrandr, and after that, hit Enter. Now when you press Enter, you might see a lot of text, so don't be overwhelmed. Scan the list for a word called Connected or just an asterisk symbol like this. This line represents the monitor you are actually using right now, and right next to the resolution, you will also notice the refresh rate of your monitor. So now, if the first command gave you too much information and you just want a simple line of your screen, we can use a specific flag to clear it up. So simply copy and paste this command over here. Paste Xrandr space -- list monitors, and then press Enter. And then you will get a nice short list. It'll tell you exactly how many monitors are active, like 0, 1, or 2, and their official name. This is super useful if you're setting up dual monitors and need to know which is which. So that's it. You now know how to inspect your display settings using the terminal. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.